since we've implemented sensor solutions in the pharmacy, we've seen a massive reduction in stress levels, efficiency, increase in efficiency. It just allows us to free up the time really of the skilled staff. But I think most pharmacists will resonate with this, is that we felt really under pressure to keep up with the admin side of it, the increased services and expectations of the NHS and the doctor's surgery. And I feel like it was time for us to get that support, and it's just allowed us to be able to keep that great customer service that we always have done, but we found it harder and harder because of the increased volume. So we don't have to now worry about making sure that we're getting this huge volume out to the patients. All we need to worry about is, does that patient know how to use that medication? Do they need any extra advice? Do they need to provide a service to them? And that's the biggest selling point for me. I mean, it's a complete no-brainer for anyone that's doing high volume. I don't understand why they wouldn't do it. So NHS services, we do everything you can think of. So CPCS, NMS, very high volume on the NMS. So we do most of the country actually most of the time. We do flu jabs, we do everything you can think of. But I think the biggest increase for us really has been the private services. So now we've moved into aesthetics, blood testing, hormone replacement, travel clinic, pretty much like a mini doctor's surgery now. And that's the ethos I'm going for, is we're moving into that kind of health hub rather than it being just a pharmacy that supplies medicines. I feel like we're at the forefront of that, and I'm pushing the boundaries more and more and more. We're even doing like kind of, my colleagues are doing like minor surgical procedures in the pharmacy. So, you know, it's really different to what it was 5 years ago. Previously, we would have to signpost patients to different services, and they probably get lost in the system. Now we can do everything in the pharmacy. We don't lose them. We can then cross-sell. We retain their custom, and then obviously off the back of that, we probably end up getting their prescriptions and the rest of their family. So it's a win-win. Our Centre Solutions offering really was to support initially our AR pharmacy in Totton because it was such high volume, and that's perhaps why people wouldn't or usually look at a Centre Solution, a hub and space system for that reason, but it really massively helped us. And then off the back of that, it's allowed us to look at other opportunities to grow and expand. We never thought 5 years ago that we'd buy another pharmacy. We've already bought one, we're buying two more, and it doesn't scare me, it doesn't worry me, because I know the Centre Solutions is going to be able to support that volume.